Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robotic vacuums. We'll be comparing two top contenders, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum and the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum comes in at $599, while the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop is priced slightly higher at $699. Both models offer advanced features, but the 2" 1 version comes with additional mopping capabilities. So, if you're looking for a vacuum that can also mop your floors, the extra investment might be worth it. Now, let's talk about cleaning performance. Both models utilize Shark's Matrix Clean technology, ensuring that no spots are missed. However, the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers 30% better carpet cleaning compared to the voice control version. It also features Clean Edge Detect, which effectively cleans edges and corners, giving you 50% better edge cleaning. So if you have carpets or need thorough edge cleaning, the 2" 1 model might be the way to go. One of the standout features of both these robotic vacuums is their self-emptying capabilities. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum has a bagless, self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop also offers a bagless base that holds the same amount of dirt. Additionally, it can automatically recharge and resume cleaning where it left off. So, if you want the convenience of both self-emptying and auto-recharging, the 2" 1 model has got you covered. Moving on to special features, both models come with self-cleaning brush rolls, ensuring effective cleaning on various surfaces. They also feature precision home mapping using 360° lidar vision, allowing them to navigate your home efficiently. Furthermore, both vacuums are designed to tackle pet hair and debris, making them ideal for homes with furry friends. Now, let's focus on the mopping capabilities of the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. This model offers Sonic Mopping, which scrubs hard floors 100 times per minute. It even has a matrix mop function that targets specific zones for deeper cleaning. If you're looking to combine vacuuming and mopping in one device, the 2" 1 model is the way to go. Overall, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is highly recommended for households with mostly hardwood floors, while the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop stands out with its additional mopping capabilities and enhanced cleaning performance on carpets and edges. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum with the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. While both models offer exceptional features and performance, the 2" 1 version stands out with its additional mopping capabilities and enhanced cleaning performance on carpets and edges. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to compare next. Stay tuned to Buy Smart for more smart buying tips. See you next time.